Hi everyone, I'm Tanu Rajput and I am here coming up with my another caption project which is TED Talks Views Prediction. So let's start with problem statement and firstly with a little introduction of TED. So what is TED? TED is basically an American non-profitable organization under the slogan ideas worth spreading. TED stands for Technology, Entertainment and Design. It is devoted to spreading powerful ideas on just about any topic, basically from science to business, business to global issue, etc. etc. It brings experts from the field of technology, entertainment, and design together. TED conferences have gone on to become the mecca of ideas from virtually all walks of life. The main objective is to build a predictive model which could help in predicting the views of the videos uploaded on TEDx website. So, coming to our next slide, let's see the content we have, and here it is. We will start with the description of our data and we will see exploratory data analysis and correlation analysis after doing some pre-processing, and then models, and then all models evaluation matrices. After training and modeling, we will choose the best model, and then we will also discuss the challenges we faced, and after that we will wrap up all the things with my conclusion. So coming to the next slide, let's see the data description. Here we can see clearly in the picture that I categorized all the feature in three categories. First one is date and time, second one is categorical, third one is numerical. So first one contain recorded date, published date, and our categorical features are title, speaker one, all speakers, occupation, about speakers, events, native language, available language, topics, related talks, URL, description, transcripts. And our numerical features contain all the numerical feature, talk ID, views, duration, and comments. So let's know more about our data set. And this dataset contains 4005 records and 19 columns. There are total 3 columns which contain more than 500 null values and the 2 columns with one or few null values. We can clearly see in the picture that picture also shows the data type of each attribute and their count of unique values. So from all the 19 features, our target feature is views and rest are our independent features. So moving ahead, we see the exploratory data analysis, and first one is the top 5 speakers with respect to all the numerical features, which are comment, duration, and views. We can clearly see there are three plots here with respect to comments, duration, and views. We can see here that with respect to comments, we have Richard Dawkins on the top. With respect to duration and views, we have Alexander as a top speaker. So let's move and see the speakers and their total published videos. Who has highest count of published videos? In these top 10 speakers, Alexander has most published videos, and at the 10th position is Dan Ariely. So now let's see the distribution of topic wise and language wise views. These two features are created after doing some feature engineering, and we can clearly see the disk plots of both in the picture. And now we will see the disk plot of our target column. Here we can clearly see the distribution of target column before treating outlier, after treating outliers, and after applying square root transformation. And we can clearly observe that our data is now almost normalized. Our target column is now almost normalized. So let's see the correlation matrix. We can easily say that daily views and speaker one average views has a higher correlation between them, that is 0.87. There is no multicollinearity because we checked VIF between these two variables and the values are less than 5, which is good. However, I decided to drop the view column. So let's see the modeling part, and firstly we will see the list of algorithm we used. And we used linear regression, ridge lasso, decision tree regression, random forest regression, gradient boosted regression, and extra trees regression. Now we will see the matrix data frame of all the models before hyperparameter tuning, and we can clearly see that random forest, gradient boost, and extra trees regression giving the best ATJR square score. But there are overfitting in them, so we have to use hyperparameter tuning. Now we will see the matrix data frame of all the model after applying hyperparameter tuning, and we can see the three best model here: extra T regression, random forest, and decision tree. So let's move and also discuss about MAPE. We also used one more matrix which is MAPE. According to MAPE, if percentage is the less, then the accuracy of prediction is the high, and we have 10.17%. That is very good. Okay, now let's see the model we select for best prediction. Now, according to model evaluation matrix data frame, linear regression and the regularization is not giving the best result, which is ridge and lasso and linear regression. So decision tree and gradient boost have performed approximately equally good in terms of ADGR square and R square. And the best result that we getting from random forest and extra tree regression, but we are selecting the extra trees regression for model selection and prediction. So our best model is extra tree regression. Now let's discuss the challenges we faced. I felt a little challenging when we start working on different algorithm and its matrices. I also felt a little challenging while choosing algorithm to work upon, and the most challenge I faced is when I am dealing with categorical features and their feature engineering. And also I felt a little challenge while deciding about the best model for prediction. So now let's wrap up all the things with conclusion. And first one is Alexander is the speaker who has highest number of videos, average high duration among all the speakers. So here we can see that Alexander is the top speaker with respect to highest number of videos and highest duration time. So second one is created new features such as topic wise average views, number of language, speaker one average views, and event wise average views. And also a lot of feature engineering for better training and prediction. And after that we apply hyperparameter tuning, and after hyperparameter tuning models have prevented overfitting and decreased errors. I used MAPE, which is mean absolute percentage error, to see the percentage error in prediction, and it gives around 10%, which is better result. As we already know that less the percentage, best the accuracy prediction result. So now coming to our last conclusion, after comparing the adjusted R square among all the models, extra trees regression gives the highest adjusted R square score, that is 0.924527, and training score, that is 0.989692. Therefore, this model is best for predicting the views of the videos uploaded on the TED website. So here it is. Thank you.